Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Buckeye cable account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, go to your default browser and search Buckeye cable login. Once you make search, you'll find sign in on the top of your search list, which is under Buckeye broadband. Just click it. Now, as you can see, you are already redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to enter your email address and your password and sign in. That's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a good time.